Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying my video lecture. And in my previous video lectures, I discussed about two concentration term, that was mass percentage and mole fraction. And today we are here with one more very important concentration term, and that is molarity, abbreviated as capital M. So first of all we will discuss about key points of that capital M or molarity, correct? So molarity is also known as molar concentration, number one. Number two, we have to remember its unit, and unit of capital M or unit of molarity is mole per liter, and by using its molarity, its unit, we can design its final formula, that is M equal to, this mole stands for solute, mole of solute, divide by this liter for solution, and this is known as volume of solution in liter. So further its definition will be number of mole of solute that is present in 1 liter of the solution. Next thing, here the relationship between mole to volume, and mole for solute and volume for solution. So we will see how mole is correlated with further volume, means mole to volume relationship is there. Number 3, when temperature change, volume is also change. So in that case, molarity uh, volume is mentioned, because for molarity volume of solution in liter, and above value is mole of solute. So as change in temperature takes place, volume also change. So therefore molarity depends on temperature, or molarity change with change in temperature. So before there was two concept, that was percentage composition, that is mass percentage, and next one it was mole fraction. So both term there was no volume term, so that they were independent for temperature change. But here molarity is change depends on temperature, because it's change with change in temperature. So you have to remember this stanza. And next we will discuss some solved example. Some solved example on molarity. Number 1, find molarity of solution in which 80 gram sodium hydroxide NaOH is dissolved in 500 ml of the solution. So in this question, examiner is asking about molarity. Direct he is asking about molarity. So just put the formula of molarity. Capital M equal to mole of NaOH, means mole of solute, divide by volume of solution in liter. Now again I have you must have one query, that how I will gonna decide that which one is solute and which one is solvent. So the amount which is present in more quantity, it's always solvent, and the amount which is present in lesser quantity is also known as or it is nothing but it is solute, correct? So here solute is 80 gram, and next is solution is 500, and when I will subtract this 80 by 500, I will get that exact amount of solvent, because density of water is 1. So it's separate concept, and we will discuss it on later stage. So now we are here to calculate this question, that is we have to find molarity of solution in which 80 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 500 ml of the solution, and sodium hydroxide NaOH is solute, correct? So put all the values, all the term in the formula. Formula is M equal to mole of NaOH, that is solute, divide by volume of solution in liter. So one thing is important, that here liter is given in the formula, but question it is ml, correct? So my first duty is I have to convert this ml to liter, because I have to report my answer in mole per liter. So 1 ml equal to 1 upon 1000 liter, correct? So by using this phenomenon, this protocol, I will design my further equation. So m equal to mass of NaOH divided by molar mass of NaOH. What is this? This is nothing but mole of NaOH. the formula of mole, it is given mass of the compound or given mass further divided by molar mass, so that I can get the value of mole, correct? And by rearranging this equation, I will get mass of NaOH, molar mass of NaOH 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. Here see, volume of solution in ml divided by 1000. Why it is ml, why 1000? Because I have to convert this ml to the liter. That's why I did like this, correct? So further, capital M equal to 80. 80 is given mass, divide by 23 plus 16 plus 1. It is molar mass of NaOH. For Na it is 23, for oxygen it is 16, and for H it is 1. So it is total 40, and 1000 divided by 500. What is 500? 500 is nothing but volume of solution. So when you will solve it, you will get the exact answer. It is 4 mole per liter. What is this? This is molarity of this solution when 80 gram NaOH dissolved in 500 ml of the solution. It is what? It is molarity or molar concentration. Unit is mole per liter. See here one more question. How much mass of sodium chloride, that is NaCl and also solute, must be dissolved in 250 ml of solution to make 2 molar aqueous solution of sodium chloride? So students, in this question, examiner is not asking about molarity. He is asking that, he wants that you find how much amount of solute, means mass of solute, and molarity is given. See here, M equal to mole of solute divided by volume of solution in ml. That's why I have to divide by 1000. Molarity is how much? 2. See here, 2 molar aqueous solution. Molarity is also known as molar concentration, number 1. And number 2, what is aqueous solution? Means when someone or something, means like some solute is going to be dissolved in the water, that means the solution will further, it is obtained, it will be aqueous solution of that particular solute, correct? Means when water is involved as the solvent, so that the solution will termed as aqueous solution. Now capital M equal to mole divided by volume, and mole is nothing but mass of NaCl divided by molar mass of NaCl, and I have to find this mass of NaCl. This is 250, this is volume of solution, and by multiplying 10 to the power minus 3, I will convert this ml to the mole per liter, means liter. Okay, right? So next, by arranging this, I will get mass of NaCl divided by 58.5. When I will add 23 plus 35.5, 23 is atomic mass of sodium and 35.5 is atomic mass of chlorine. When I will add, I will get molar mass of NaCl. How much it is? It is nothing but 58.5 by adding this. So here see, I can write mass of NaCl divide by 58.5 to 50 10 to the power minus 3, and or further it will be move upside, then the sign will be changed, and by arranging, or I have to calculate mass of NaCl, so that by rearranging the equation I will get the exact value of 29.25 gram. What is this 29.25 gram? It is nothing but this much amount of solute of sodium chloride. When I will add in 250 ml of water, I will get the exact amount of solution of sodium chloride, that is 2 molar aqueous solution. So I hope you understand this concept better. In case of any problem, any doubt, you can comment me, or you can directly ask through my WhatsApp number. So till then, again we will meet. Again we will discuss one more important concept, that is next is and last concept. It is molality, small m. So till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.